Unlocking the magic of photo editing. The Retouching Toolkit explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where learning English is both fun and insightful. Today, we're diving into an interesting and highly relevant topic in the world of digital imagery, the Retouching Toolkit. Whether you're a budding photographer, a graphic designer, or simply curious about how digital images can be transformed, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery behind these powerful tools and learn how they make our photos look spectacular. A retouching toolkit refers to a collection of software tools and techniques used in digital photography and graphic design to enhance and improve the appearance of photos. These tools allow users to correct flaws, adjust colors, enhance textures, and even alter the composition of images. Popular software like Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom comes equipped with an extensive set of these tools, enabling both professionals and hobbyists to achieve the desired outcomes with their digital images. 2.1. Healing and cloning tools. These are magic wands in the toolkit. The healing brush is used to fix imperfections such as blemishes and spots, seamlessly blending the corrected area with the surrounding pixels. The clone stamp, on the other hand, allows you to duplicate parts of an image to cover unwanted elements. 2.2. Adjustment layers and filters. Adjustment layers and filters provide the capability to tweak the colors, brightness, contrast, and texture of photos without permanently altering the original image. This non-destructive approach ensures that edits can be revised or removed as needed. 2.3. Dodging and burning tools. Historically derived from darkroom techniques, dodging, lightening, and burning, darkening, are used to manipulate the lightness and darkness of specific areas in an image, enhancing the overall depth and dimension. Retouching is not just about correcting flaws. It's an art form that allows photographers and designers to bring their vision to life. It can make a good photo great by improving its composition, highlighting key elements, and conveying the intended mood or message. Moreover, retouching is crucial in professional fields like fashion, product photography, and portrait photography, where perfection is often the goal. We hope this exploration into the retouching toolkit has been enlightening. These tools are a gateway to not only improving the technical quality of photos but also to expressing creativity and artistic vision. Whether you're retouching photos for personal enjoyment or professional work, the skills you develop with these tools can transform your digital imagery. Thank you for watching, and keep experimenting with these tools to discover the full potential of your photographs. See you in the next video.